FIRST Robotics has opened a lot of doors for a lot of my students. It is what keeps me staying with FIRST and keeps me working with kids in my school. I want them to have an opportunity. I want them to be able to learn and grow and get that opportunity to go to college and develop a future for themselves that they can be proud of.
Our hope is that we can get students in rural areas involved in the FIRST program.
FIRST Robotics!
A lot of mentors think that they have to be technically savvy to do this work, and they don't. Like, there's people doing business plans and there's people doing graphics.
I get to see students approach the things they want to do in different ways, and I get to build relationships with them outside of the classroom through the robotics practices.
It's opened my eyes up to the possibilities of a way to integrate technology and the math and science that I teach.
Even though we design the robot and all that stuff, the mentor is there pretty much to keep us on track, because some of the stuff that we might not know, they'll pretty much teach us all along the way.
He's a reminder that everything can become better at some point, even if we just hit a low point in building something or an idea that just went down the drain.
Having someone there to help you learn all these new things or help guide you through all of that is really a great experience.
We don't build robots, we build our future.
A child involved in FIRST is definitely going to have a greater desire to want to pursue science or engineering later on in college. They're going to have seen what science and engineering can do for them, and they're going to have fun doing it along the way.
I am right now, at this very moment, my major here at Central is what they call EET, Electronic Engineering Technology major.
It benefits all of those businesses, and it benefits all the people of the state the more training we can get people, because there's only a certain amount of jobs right now in Central Washington.
I think one of the coolest things about being part of FIRST is that it doesn't just tell you about robots. It tells you about all kinds of aspects of a business, and this is like preparing us for the corporate world. This is the future of America. So the people you see around you at a FIRST competition are the future innovators of tomorrow.
By building a robot, I learn a lot of important skills that will for sure help me in my future.
You get to learn so much in the amount of time that you get, and it's unbelievable.
You get to work with engineers that are already in the field. You get to see what it's like to do jobs that you could potentially be doing in the future.
It opens up numerous doors, not only across the state, but across the country. And maybe, you never know, even across the globe. It's pretty cool. I like it.
You may want to be a team mentor in a robotics competition. You might want to join into the fun of being a volunteer at any of the events that we have here on campus. Or you and your group or company may want to consider sponsoring an event. In any way you can help, we would be most appreciative, and you would want to contact the Center for Excellence in Science and Mathematics Education here at Central Washington University.
Hey, you should sponsor us.